Hey, what's up, guys? This is Joe. In this video, what I'm going to do is use make.com to create an automation to generate the audio for a large document of text or even a small document of text, and then upload it to Dropbox so you have the audio all set to go. So the scenario what we're in make.com, and this is just a small part of a scenario which you could use for a larger scenario. All we're going to do is we're going to use ChatGPT to generate an audio transcription based on whatever text that we give it, and then to take that audio file and we're going to upload it to Dropbox. And then, I mean, you could make this larger if you wanted by using ChatGPT to actually write the text, or once you get the audio file, maybe you want to add it to a podcast or to a YouTube video. But this is just a simple scenario that we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to build this. So we're going to go over to scenarios, and we're going to create a new scenario. And we're going to start off right off with OpenAI. And so these are all the apps that you have. And what we want to do is generate an audio. So these are all the different APIs that are connected. We can generate an image, can generate an audio. At first, you have to have an API connection. So what you have to do, you're going to have to go to OpenAI, sign up for it, and you're actually going to have to put like $5 in or something to get it going. But it really each operation costs like 1 cent, maybe 2 cents. So it's not a big deal. So here's the input. This is where this is the words that you want it to say. So I'm just gonna put something very simple. Hi, my name is Joe. I am using make.com to generate an audio file. And this is just something real small. Obviously, you can have a lot more. And then the model, I'm going to use the text-to-speech. And I'm just going to use the TTS-1. You can use any of these below, but this one has worked well for me. So what we're going to do is now save this. And I'm going to add another module. And this is where we're going to go to Dropbox. And we want to upload a file. So we're going to upload the file. We're going to choose the folder that we want to put it into. And so I've got a folder set up here, somewhere 1-sounds. And then you click on here, it's going to show that all the folders. And where's the one? Do a search. I thought called it make. And then where's the file? It's just the OpenAI file that was generated. So now I'm going to click save. And then you can run this. I'm going to just you can right click on here. You can run this module only, or you can just run the whole thing, which I'm going to do. First, I'm going to save this. And then I'm going to click run once. So now what I'm doing, it's running. So you can see it's kind of spinning. This is the trigger just by running it. And then it should have uploaded to Dropbox. So let's click on here first. Here's the input is, hi, my name is Joe. I use make.com to generate an audio file. And then the output is the output audio. If you click on it, these are just binary numbers, but no errors popped up. And now we're going to go to Dropbox. Here's the folder, and here's the file name. There's the input. That's what it got from OpenAI. And then here is the output with the path and so on. And see if you see, I just got my little Dropbox update. It says you added this file. So now I'm going to go to my Dropbox folder. I got Dropbox 1-sounds make. And I click on it, and there's the file that it just generated. So if I double click on it, we listen
Hi,
to
my
it.
name is Joe. I'm using make.com to generate an audio file.
And it came out. I mean, obviously, it's a woman's voice, and maybe I wanted a man's voice, and that can be adjusted. And also, I mean, I used OpenAI to generate audio, but there's a lot of other ones. 11 Labs is another good one. There's a lot of other ones that you can generate. I'm just showing you a simple way to generate them. Now, if you want to just keep creating audio files, you just go back in here, You can delete this, paste in, maybe you got a full article, or maybe use ChatGPT to write you a YouTube script. Paste it in here, and then just run this, and it'll generate the audio file for you. So hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.